Hello, and welcome to Trench Drain Systems. Today we'll be discussing replacement grates. First, I'd like to show you some images of grates that are needing replaced. As you can see in these images, these grates need replaced because they're broken, deteriorating, some are bowing because they were not the right load class, or they were not properly maintained. Now that you know when your grates need replaced, we can discuss ways on how to identify your replacement. What you will need to know is the grate measurements, such as its width, thickness, and length. You'll also want to know what it's made of, identify any brand signifiers such as a logo or a part number, and we also suggest taking a picture with a ruler next to it. That way we can help you identify the exact measurements. Another option would be measuring the channel. In this scenario, we want measurements of the outer dimensions, the inner dimensions where the grate sits, and we want the measurement of the thickness of the chair. So we want to know from the top of the channel down to the chair that the grate sits on. Once you have these measurements, you can send them to shop@trenchdrain.com with your images, or you can filter out your options on drainagekits.com. Another option would be calling the number on your screen, and one of our drainage experts would be able to assist you on finding your replacement. Thank you, and I hope that this video helps you find your replacement.